As you can see, I got the wrenching shirt on. You already know some wrenching is about to occur. I think Noah's swapping his exhaust with our buddy Jasper, because the racing beat just hangs too bum, man. Shit looks fucked. It's all cattywampus and shit. Looks like you stovepiped her, but you didn't. That's just the way she comes. Just kidding.
Just fuck, hey man?
Ladies first.
Alright. Hey man.
Alright, for dick's sakes. So Noah exchanged exhaust with Jasper. As you can see here, this fully resonated custom bitch. 4 resonators, otherwise straight pipe. Yeah, we got it on. It was really quick to swap. See, Jasper's putting on the racing beat. See, I'll start up, hear how it sounds. Yeah, hopefully it's good.
It's gonna be real nice, man.
Yeah, man.
Looks good though.
Yeah, it fits like way nicer, as you can see.
This fits better on my car and it like flows with the style better, and then that looks better on his, and it also fits better.
Yeah, I don't know why, but
nicer.
it tucks up nicer. Yeah, this looks really good.
We're right on.
Yeah, we'll hear how it sounds soon. We're here in the goddamn office, as you can see. Got the merchandises over here. Got the fucking stickers all in here. Some hoodies here. The new hoodie designs there. Got this fat fuck over here. Worst employee ever, man. Swear to God.
Terrible, doesn't do any work, man.
Man, stop saying man.
Stop saying man.
Man.
Man, why do we say man so much, man? Man.
Because I don't give a fuck, man.
Man vinyl, right here. Put it on the screen.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Anyways, so Noah had the racing beat. It hung like shit. Sounded like shit. Looked like shit. And it's kind of an expensive exhaust. So then our buddy Jasper was like, oh, I'll buy it and then give you this other exhaust he had, which was like a custom made 2.5 inch pipe with like 2 resonators down each side and then 3-inch tips. And then so Noah went for that and we just swapped them out, and it went really quick, so we didn't really film. And it sounds pretty good and it looks way better. Like, it fits so much better in the rear bumper and hangs so much higher at the back. Like, it's not fucking
it flows a lot
Joe.
better with the style of the car as well.
Yeah, it looks good. And it's not sloppy Joe like the other one. So yeah, dank trade.
Only con is like the resonators hang pretty low, so it scrapes quite a bit.
Yeah.
On like bumpy roads, but it'll wear down.
Yeah, eventually it'll scrape through.
Way she goes.
Fuck this thing, man. But yeah, sorry that we didn't really film that. It only took like 10 minutes to swap out.
One sec, Mother S is calling. Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Okay, anyways, where were we?
Can't remember anymore, man.
New exhaust.
Yeah, new exhaust.
Sold the Racing Beat for $300. Got that exhaust for free with that deal.
Yeah, so it was a decent deal. It sounds sick as fuck. We'll probably shoot flames.
RX7's full straight pipe now.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Minus like the resonators.
Gutted cat, resonators. What's next on the RX7, man? Cleaning up the long champs.
What's next on the RX7, man?
The rear ones are fucked.
Is this when there's a budget or just now?
No.
Now?
What can the viewers expect, man?
With the clean the long champs.
Yeah, the rears are fucking crust.
Put the stock intake back on.
Yeah.
We have to... I think that's it, to be honest. Then like, when there's a budget, roof spoiler, mirrors, and I think I'm calling it quits, man, after that, for a while. That's about it. I think it's done after that.
Do you think about anything else?
Yeah.
What else gonna do? Gonna let your dad drive the R7. Kevin, that'll be funny. And we have 2 scooter vids coming soon. So, if you haven't seen the scooter videos, that was a sick build series, the Bozoka scooter. So go back, watch those, because we have two videos coming about that soon.
Right on, brother.
Nice.
Yeah, we're out here hurting for content, trying to think of some videos, you know.
Yeah, comment if you have a video idea. Fuck my eye.
Comment, because there's a lot of people on Instagram that wanted us to make like a top things you should look for before you buy an RX-7, so we can definitely make that. We'll make it easy. We'll be like, because we always say like, do your research before you buy an RX-7. We'll do the research. Well, we've already done the research. We'll put all that information in one video for you to watch, and then after you watch that video, it'd be like a professional. You'll know what to look for.
It'd be a fucking rotary god.
Okay, man, that's it.
We're gonna take some photos of the new merch. There's still lots of stuff from last drop. Actually, not lots.
Couple crew necks and hoodies behind you, that's about it.
Yeah, these ones are left over from last drop, so they're really cheap right now because we got to get rid of them for the space for the new stuff. So link in the description, grab one if you want.
Shut it down, man.
Yeah.
Give it a skidoo, they've been asking for it.
Dude.
That's what the people want, man.
You skidoo it.
You skidoo it.
Try not.
No animals will harm in the making of this outro, okay? Skidoo!
Street animal abuse, man.
Loved it, man. Alright, sign it off.